Kaya feeling mo sobrang saturated na ng VA industry is because you are still offering a generic service. Hi, I'm Mary and I teach people how to start working from home. Kung gusto mo mag-work as a virtual assistant, keep in mind na ang mga VAs hindi lang admin ang ginagawa. Hindi pwede na puro administrative na lang ang i-offer mo. No matter what industry you are servicing, you have to learn how to do lead generation. Ang daming clients ngayon na naghahanap ng magaling na lead generation VA. Lead gen VAs help businesses find the right prospects, start real conversations, and build opportunities that lead to sales. At hindi to spam ha, lead generation is all about strategy, research, and systems. Kapag tumutulong ka sa mga businesses na magdala ng leads, hindi ka expense. You are considered an investment, which simply means clients are willing to pay more for a good lead generation virtual assistant. Opo, mas mataas po ang sahod. So kung gusto mong matuto ng skills na willing magbayad ang mga clients ng mas mataas, yung role na talagang alam mong fulfilling yung pakiramdam because may impact ka sa sales, mag-join ka na sa next class namin this coming weekend. Mag-comment ka lang dyan ng Legion and we will send you the link to join. 999 pesos lang to. Baka naman tipidin mo pa yung sarili mo para sa skill set na alam mong kahit anong industry mapili mo. And yes, kasama na po doon ang internship. Tuturuan rin kayo kung paano mag-apply. May certificate, beginner-friendly, flexible lang time. Pwedeng side hustle at pwede rin namang pangkabuhayan showcase na ang attack. Kaya ano pang hinihintay mo? Mag-join ka na. Comment any questions you guys have about working from home. Follow for more work from home chismis. We'll see you sa classroom. Bye!